Hey there, wonderful people. It's Pampa here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from images. There are many tools available capable of doing this. For example, the popular graphic design app called Canva. However, today we're going to be using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Remember to like and subscribe if this content is useful to you. So the first thing you want to do is import or drag your image into PowerPoint. Click on the image. The Picture Format menu tab will appear on the top right. Click on that. And now you see a range of tools you can use to format your picture. Click on the Remove Background icon. PowerPoint tries to detect the background and automatically makes a selection. However, it doesn't always quite get it right. So let's fix this. Click on the Mark Areas to Keep icon. Then, draw around the areas you would like to keep. Let's draw around the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Okay, let's include the body of the dog now. Let's draw around it and loop back all the way to where we... Oh, look at that. PowerPoint somehow excluded the mouth again. Let's add that back in. It does this sometimes. Fantastic, we're almost done. We now need to remove the parts of the image we don't need. Click on the Mark Areas to Remove icon. Then draw around the area you would like to keep. Once we're all done, select the Keep Changes icon, and you'll have the dog image without the background. Great work! Let's say you want to use this image in another app or program. All you have to do is right-click the image, select Save as Picture, select the folder you would like to save it in, then rename the picture to a suitable name. And voila! You now have the image saved, and you can use it in any tool you would like going forwards. Let me show you. So I'm opening the folder. If you're on a Mac, you can just press the spacebar to preview the image, or just double-click it to open it up. And as you can see, the image of the dog is there, and you can see the background is transparent. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you. Let me know if you've tried this out before, or how about you rewind and try it out right now? Let me know how you find it. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye!